Meet Amy, a dedicated staff member at the campus recreation building. With Meetsta, Amy promotes the incredible benefits of fitness to students, enlightening them on how staying active boosts their cognitive performance and overall well-being. Through Meetsta's comprehensive platform, Amy organizes engaging fitness events, workshops, and challenges that inspire students to lead healthier lifestyles. Amy's passion for fitness, combined with Meetsta's tools, ensures that students are not only fit but also performing better academically. Introducing Rachel, the dynamic resident director at the University Housing Office. Gone are the days of juggling separate form services for event RSVPs. With Meetsta, Rachel and her team smoothly promote organized events to student communities, simplifying the entire process and enhancing participation. Rachel utilizes Meetsta to coordinate with her team of resident assistants, ensuring every resident is in the loop about upcoming events. From movie nights to community service drives, Meetsta streamlines communication, fostering a sense of community and belonging within the dorms. Now let's meet Professor James, a passionate educator who strives to engage his students deeply. Using Meetsta's robust communities feature, Professor James connects more personally with his students, making discussions more vibrant and coursework more interactive. Thanks to Meetsta, Professor James discovered a brilliant student from his class who is now joining his prestigious research project as a research assistant. Meetsta bridges the gap between students and professors, cultivating an environment where talent shines and opportunities multiply. Finally, Brian, a media assistant for the college football and basketball teams, leverages Meetsta to highlight team achievements. By posting captivating highlights, Brian stirs college spirit and encourages student participation in sporting events. Brian's efforts, amplified by Meetsta, create a buzz around campus, fostering a vibrant sports culture and uniting students in their college pride and enthusiasm for athletics. From Amy at the campus recreation building, Rachel at the University Housing Office, and Professor James in his classroom, to Brian on the sports field, Meetsta transforms their efforts into powerful, cohesive actions that restore and enrich the college experience. Together, they use Meetsta to cultivate a thriving, connected, and engaged student community, empowering every aspect of university life.